Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a poll in your Telegram group. So if you guys would like to go ahead and create a poll over on your Telegram group, all we need to go ahead and do is to tap on the Telegram application and choose your preferred group that you'd like to go ahead and create a group on. Alright, so once we are already here, I would like you guys to go ahead and choose your preferred group. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and choose maybe this group over here and then tap on this option. Of course, I'd like you to go ahead and tap on this attach icon over here to give you more options. But if you want to go ahead and create a poll on here, of course, once you've already tapped on your pin icon, just tap on this option called poll, and that's going to allow you to enter your poll question, enter your poll options as well, and also add more options if you'd like. You could also go ahead and change the settings of this poll depending on your liking. You could actually have anonymous voting so that you would not see who voted for what on this poll, or you could also choose multiple answers so that the members of this group could choose more than one answer. We also have quiz mode, which in quiz mode, of course, you only have one correct answers and users can select multiple answers. Once that's done, just tap on send, and that's all for this video, guys. That's how you guys could easily create a poll on Telegram. Thank you guys for watching and take care.